Samsung just made music smoother and your battery smarter, thanks to One UI 8.5. Samsung is developing One UI 8.5 based on Android 16, and it's shaping up to bring a perfect mix of style and functionality with upgraded music transitions and smarter battery tracking. The update aims to make your phone experience more fluid, polished, and satisfying. Smooth album art transitions. According to reliable source Tarun Vats, One UI 8.5 will refresh the lock screen music player. Currently, album art changes instantly when you skip a track, but in the new version it will glide seamlessly between songs. This adds a touch of polish and visual flow every time you switch tracks. The Now bar on the lock screen will still let you control playback without unlocking your phone, with quick access to play, pause, and skip buttons. Tapping it opens a full-screen music interface featuring larger album art and more detailed controls, now enhanced with that sleek sliding transition. Smarter battery insights. Previously, the battery screen displayed all stats in one long line graph, showing power usage since the last charge. In One UI 8.5, that's changing completely. There's now a daily usage tab that shows your battery habits across the week using a clear bar chart. It even includes an average line, giving you a quick overview of how your power usage fluctuates day by day. It's cleaner, more visual, and easier to understand at a glance. One UI 8.5 is still in active development, with the beta expected around November 2025, followed by a stable release alongside the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. Stay tuned. Samsung's next big update might make your daily phone experience smoother than ever. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. A new One UI 8.5 leak just dropped, and it's revealing some seriously exciting details about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Pro. Samsung is gearing up for the release of its next big flagship, the Galaxy S26 series. While the company hasn't made any official announcements yet, some fascinating details about the Galaxy S26 Pro have surfaced online. The leak originates from the latest One UI 8.5 firmware and was shared by reliable source Erenkin Yilmaz on X. According to the leaked information, the Galaxy S26 Pro will feature a 4,300 mAh battery. Though that might sound slightly smaller than what we see on some premium Galaxy models, it's still a solid upgrade over last year's Galaxy S25, which carried a smaller battery capacity. Under the hood, the phone is said to run on Samsung's new Exynos 2600 processor, model number S5E9965. This next-gen chip promises enhanced performance, faster app launches, and better power efficiency to ensure smoother everyday use and improved battery life. The camera setup seems equally promising. The primary lens will be the S5K-GN3 sensor, known for delivering sharp, vibrant photos. It will be paired with an S5K3K1 telephoto lens for zoom photography and a Sony IMX564 ultra-wide sensor for capturing expansive shots, mirroring the configuration of last year's Galaxy S25 lineup. For selfies, the phone will reportedly use an S5K3LU front-facing sensor. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed these details, the One UI 8.5 base findings give us a solid preview of what's to come. More leaks and official teasers are expected as the launch draws near, so stay tuned for the latest updates. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.